So we're just warning you, you are going to hear
A lot of belching.
a lot of belching and burping. All this week, we are being joined by a real-life Ghostbuster. Her name is Kerry Irwin. But you're about to hear exactly what happened when Lyndal decided to put Kerry's real-life Ghostbuster skills to the test at the offices of 96.5 Wave FM.
Where are you now?
I'm walking through the sales office.
Okay, stop.
Stop.
I'm picking up some funny energy here. You've got a male there. Did anybody have a heart attack there or heart problems? Do you know?
Not in the building, I don't think.
Well, it could have been someone who worked in this building before, but I'm picking up a male spirit who had a heart attack or heart problems is what I'm getting. So what I want you to do now is, sorry, I'm starting to burp. So just visualise a white light coming down in front of you and say after me, go into the light.
Go into the light.
Go into the light.
Go into the light.
Go into the Holy Spirit.
Go into the Holy Spirit.
Leave now.
Leave now.
Leave now, you're dead.
Leave now, you're dead.
Go now, you're dead.
Go now, you're dead.
Okay, I can feel. Do you feel anything at all? Sometimes you can feel your hair.
I feel all the sales team staring at me. That's what I feel.
Yeah, they're probably freaking out. It's going now.
Going?
I'm not picking up anything else. It feels pretty clear to me. That's gone now.
We're clear. We're clear, guys. The negativity's gone.